Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can customize the email template of Nexelit Multipurpose Business CMS. Let's go to admin panel. Now go to appearance. Now click on email templates. You will get a list of all available email templates in these systems. You can customize any of them. Let me show you by customize user verify mail. So to edit this email template, click on this edit icon. Now it will load a page which will contain the email template along with the email subject. It is multilingual supported, that is why you will see option in English and other language as well. You can put other languages data for specific languages. Let's say we will change the English version only. Here it has verify your email address. Let's change this to verify your email address for this website. Okay, so here is the email body. This is contain the part of email body. So you will see a few placeholder here. One is @name, another one is @verify code. So there are also few other placeholder available in these systems. So you can use this placeholder for this specific email template. Let's say you want to use username instead of name. You can do that, no problem. Here has explanation of what it will be replaced by the code. So @username will be replaced by dynamically by the username. Suppose a username is XYZ. When he requests a verify email, then he will get the email along with here hello XYZ. It will be replaced by XYZ. Then a verification code will be generated by the system. It will be replaced by this code. So similarly, you can do change all the other email template as well. So if you confused about it, you can go through our demo website and check out the same process in our demo panel. So you get understand of what available content in all the email templates. So this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.